Mastering Similes. Paint pictures with words. Hello learners, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of descriptive language: similes. Similes are powerful tools that can help make our language more engaging and vivid. Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use similes appropriately and effectively. Let's start with the basics. What is a simile? A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two things using words like as or like. For example, she is as brave as a lion, or he swims like a fish. Similes are wonderful tools to make your descriptions more imaginative and relatable. They can help you draw comparisons between familiar and unfamiliar things, making complex ideas easier to understand. While similes can add color and life to your language, it's important to use them appropriately. Here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Use similes sparingly. Like a powerful spice, a little goes a long way. Too many similes can make your speech or writing feel overloaded and confusing. 2. Make sure your similes make sense. The two things you're comparing should share some similarities. Saying, "His voice is as loud as a banana," doesn't make much sense, as bananas aren't known for making noise. 3. Avoid clichés. Try to be original with your similes. Phrases like, "as busy as a bee," or "as clear as crystal," are used so often that they've lost their impact. Try to think of fresh comparisons that will surprise and engage your audience. To get comfortable with using similes, practice is key. Here are a few activities you can do. 1. Rewrite sentences with similes. Take a regular sentence, like, "he runs fast," and add a simile, "he runs as fast as a cheetah." 2. Create similes from scratch. Choose two unrelated things and find a creative way to compare them, like, "the moon shone in the sky, as lonely as a forgotten toy." 3. Identify similes in books or songs. Look for similes in the media you consume. This can help you see how other writers use similes effectively. We've reached the end of our video on the appropriate use of similes. We hope you found this discussion useful, and we encourage you to practice using similes in your daily conversations and writing. Remember, like an artist with a palette, you can use similes to color your language and make your descriptions truly memorable. Until next time, happy learning!